Alright, let's be real for a second. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build muscle faster than others? Like, you're hitting the gym, eating right, and still, crickets. You've probably heard phrases like no pain, no gain. Meanwhile, your buddy is flexing biceps that look like they've been pumped up overnight. Well, I've got good news for you. It's not magic, and you're not cursed. Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to build twice as much muscle. Yes, double the gains with strategies that actually work. Let's make your workouts worth it. The science of muscle growth. First, let's break it down. Muscle growth, or hypertrophy if we're getting fancy, happens when your muscles repair themselves after being stressed during exercise. But here's the thing, it's not just about lifting heavy weights, it's about lifting smart. Most people focus on training harder, but to build muscle twice as fast, you've got to combine effort with strategy. Here's what I mean. Key points. 1. Progressive overload. You need to consistently challenge your muscles. If you're lifting the same weights every week, your body adapts and stops growing. Increase the weight, repetitions, or intensity gradually. 2. Time under tension. This is a game changer. Slow down your movements during lifts. For example, take 3 to 4 seconds on the eccentric or lowering phase of the movement. This maximizes muscle activation. 3. The perfect workout routine. Now, let's talk about structuring your workouts for maximum gains. You don't need to live in the gym, but you do need to train smarter. Here are some tips for you. Focus on compound movements. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups recruit multiple muscle groups, which means more bang for your buck. Train each muscle group twice a week. Research shows that hitting each muscle group at least twice weekly is optimal for growth. For example, do upper body Monday and Thursday, lower body Tuesday and Friday. Isolation movements. Want bigger biceps? Sure, throw in curls, but only after you've tackled heavy lifts like rows and pull-ups. Nutrition for double gains. Here's the harsh truth, you can't out-train a bad diet. Muscle growth is built in the gym, but cemented in the kitchen. Let me share with you some key nutrition tips. 1. Protein. Protein. You need about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Think of chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, or even a good protein shake. 2. Don't fear carbs. Carbs are your energy source. Oats, rice, potatoes, these help fuel your workouts and aid recovery. 3. Caloric surplus. To build muscle, you've got to eat more than you burn. Use a calorie tracker to figure out your maintenance calories, then add 250 to 500 calories to that. 4. Hydration matters. Dehydration can kill your performance. Aim for at least 3 liters of water daily. Recovery and sleep. Here's a secret. The real muscle building happens when you're not working out. Recovery is just as important as training. Let me share some tips on this. 1. Sleep like a champ. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Your body releases growth hormone during sleep, which is essential for muscle repair. 2. Active recovery. Take rest days, but stay active. Go for a walk, stretch, or do light yoga to keep your muscles loose. 3. Don't skip stretching. A good post-workout stretch can improve flexibility and reduce soreness, keeping you consistent in your workouts. Consistency and mindset. Here's where most people mess up, they quit too soon. Building muscle isn't an overnight process. It takes weeks, even months, of consistent effort. But here's the good news, once you start seeing those gains, it's addictive. Focus on progress, not perfection. Track your workouts, celebrate small wins, and remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. And don't compare yourself to others. The only competition is the person you were yesterday. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to building twice as much muscle. Now it's your turn. Start applying these strategies today, and I promise, you'll start seeing results faster than you thought possible. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share your muscle building journey in the comments below. Let's crush those goals together. See you in the next one.